approaching red lights, making left. So there you have your left turn marking on the roadway. And we wait until the lights turn green. Now, if you have a flashing green, it means you can make that turn. You just have to check the intersection and go. If you have a green arrow, then as long as the arrow is green, it means yes, you can make that left turn. If the arrow goes away, then you're gonna get stuck in the intersection. So keep your wheel straight and wait until the traffic is clear with cars coming straight through the intersection. And remember, only one car is allowed in the intersection at a time. So if you have a vehicle in front of you, you must wait until they clear the intersection before you go. Now, is it safe to continue? Yes. So you make your turn. Now speed up, go fast, get it up there, then signal check, move to the right.